your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is all on how I created today's makeup look. Yes, 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 super cute. So if you want to see how I created today's look, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So I'm super excited to be doing this video because I finally get to play with my Masquerade mini palette from Juvias place. I picked this up a couple months back. It was in my Ulta haul, and I just haven't got around to playing with it yet. So I am really excited to get to play with it today, and I'm gonna do a look to kind of like match, you know, what I'm wearing. That's what I like to do, to be matchy-matchy, of course. So this palette is so beautiful, has some beautiful colors, but we're going to go with a nice kind of fall kind of theme going on. So I'm going to zoom you guys in so we can go on and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes using my Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Eyeshadow Primer. I got this in one of my boxes. I can't remember. It's probably my BoxyCharm. But I just like really love it. It really does hold your eyeshadows all day, because me working 2 jobs, I'm sometimes having to leave one job and going straight to another. So it really like lasts all day long. No caking, no separating, nothing of that, no creasing. So I really do like that. Ooh, my fingernail got into my brow because my fingernails are long. But I do like that, so I've been loving this. And you do get quite a bit of eyeshadow primer, so I like that. So I'm going to take my Farrah brush. Whew. And let's go. I'm going to take my Farrah brush, and I'm going to go into the shade right here. It's called Ada, if I'm saying that correctly. It's a nice kind of rustic brown orange shade. It matches my shirt perfectly, and it's a perfect fall color, and we're going to use it as a transition and just kind of smoke it out. I'm going to put that over here and just smoke it out. It's really pretty, but I'm so ready for fall. I know it is fall, but it just doesn't feel like it because of the weather. So I'm just kind of waiting for it to get a little cooler. Just a little cooler. I don't really like winter. I don't like it to be too cold, but definitely like fall. So next, I'm going to go into this Morphe brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Florin right here. It's a dark brown shade, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner, of course, just to kind of deepen things up. It's a nice brown shade. It's not that dark. So I'm just going to just push, you know, right into that socket area and then fan it out. So we can kind of have like some depth going on. Put it right into that socket and fan it out. Super easy. I love fall colors. I'm a fall baby, so I just love fall. Not only because my birthday is in fall, but I just love the colors. Alright, so now I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Flatter Brush in 102. Go into this color right here. Cairo. And just kind of place it. It's like an orangey color. Super pretty. And it has some shimmer to it. And just kind of put that all over my lid. It has some orange iridescence in it. So I think that's really cute. Oh, I just love the names of these palettes, and the color payoff is really, really nice. So I am so glad I finally got my hands on a palette. I'm going to be picking up some more. So just make sure I get that all over where I need to. bring it closer to the inner corner as well. I'm going to go into Casablanca, which is this like rosy shade right here. And this, oh, this one is really pretty. Just to brighten up that inner corner, that's cute. That's really cute. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with my fairer brush and take that Ada again. Going to take Ada again, and we're just going to fan and fluff everything out so it blends and there's no harsh lines. I am very different than what I normally do, but it is cute. I'm feeling it. So I'm going to start lining my eyes. And I'm going to line my eyes. Today I'm going to be using my Hank & Henry Slick With It eyeliner. I usually use my bonding eyeliner, but I'm not going to use that one today. So I just like to get the wing going first. It's easier for me. Okay. I gotta bring my mirror a little closer. And okay, so now that my eyes are lined, I'm going to put my lashes on, and I'm going to be using my lashes in my natural style in Frisky. And I'm going to be using my new glue. It is in it's the same great formula, but in a new packaging. It's in a rose gold packaging, and it has, you know, my logo on there. And what I'm doing this month for Breast Cancer Month is that if you make any purchase, any lash purchase on my website, you will get one of these for free. So just add it to your cart along with whatever lash that you would like to purchase, and this will be free automatically all month long for Breast Cancer Month. So you don't want to miss out on that. So go on and check us out at Flirty Girl Lashes.com so you can get you one of these. And it is bigger than our normal one, lash packaging. Our lash packaging is normally a 5 ounce, and this one is a 1.6 ounce. So definitely you get more in this packaging, and it's a really nice cute packaging, and it's limited edition, so you don't want to miss out on that. So definitely check us out. But yeah, this is the glue that I will be using today. Very nice and sleek, nice little sleek applicator. And just brush that on to your lashes. If I hold it up too high, I can't see. And it goes on just like just so easy. And you don't need to have, it's not all cakey or anything. It didn't drip everywhere, so great application. So just give it a little blow so it can get tacky. And we're going to pop these bad boys on. Gotta get close to my mirror. There we go. And it's just the same great formula. You just get more, and it's a nicer packaging. And at this time, it is free, and it's limited edition. And who doesn't love limited edition? Like, come on now. This packaging is great. It's so cute. There we go. I'm going and get my other one with some glue. And this is what I love about my applicators. They just go on with straight precision. It doesn't go all over the place. And it's not a whole bunch that's coming out. It's like literally just enough. Because you see I didn't even have to dip it back in or anything. And look at that even application. So yep. We're just going to let it get a little tacky. And pop these bad boys on. Now, if lash adhesive is not your thing, like, oh my gosh, you've been like intimidated to wear lashes because you don't know how to put them on, or lash glue, it's just been like really intimidating for you, I do have a lash bonding liner right here. It is perfect. So basically it's a nice dark matte liner, and it's black, and all you have to do is draw your line like you would normally do, a nice little liner. It don't have to be winged or anything of that nature. Just draw a liner, your line, and just give it a few like a few seconds to get tacky, and you just pop your lashes right on once the eyeliner dries, and you just pop your lashes right onto the liner once your eyeliner dries, and it just works perfectly. So if lash adhesive isn't your thing, I highly suggest checking out the lash bonding eyeliner because it works wonders. So we're going to finish my eyes, and I'm going to go into the Flirty, this dark brown right here, and you know, smoke out the bottom lash line. I'm just going to do it in the corner because I'm going to add all these colors in. So just tie that in to my look. And then next I'm going to go into the Cairo, which is this nice pretty orange color with it has green iridescence in it. It's so pretty. And just put that right in the middle. And then we're going to go right back into Casablanca and finish this inner corner highlight look so it can get tied down to the bottom. I just like I love when it all comes together. Ooh. And lately, I've just been mixing and choosing and just kind of switching things up. And I think that is fun. And I think I'm going to do a nice, fun, colorful look with this palette because there is some nice, colorful ones in there too. So I'm very excited. And I really do like this palette. Lately, I've just been focusing on my eye makeup and not my foundation or anything, because at my second job, I wear a mask all day. So nobody sees my face. In my first job, I work from home, so yeah, I haven't really been just wearing makeup like that. So, but I do have on concealer. But this is the finished eye look that I created using my Masquerade mini palette from the Juvias place. How do you guys like it? What do you guys think? I think it's really cute. It's different. It's outside the box. I don't, you know, and it matches my shirt that I have on today, so I'm very pleased about that. The colors look great. They're vibrant, and yeah, I really, really like it. So you have the green sparkle iridescence like kind of just throughout, and then you have like the bright inner eye corner. So yes, super, super cute. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Yes, and also you do not want to miss out on my sale that I'm having for the breast cancer awareness month. Basically, you purchase any lash, you will get this lash glue for free. It is coming in a new rose gold packaging just for breast cancer awareness, and it's limited edition. So I only have so many on hand to give out. So yeah, that's all I have for today's video. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.